Arif Pratap. I am studying in Ryan International School, Sharjah. I am from grade 2A. Today I will show you Dance Party Hour of Code. So first I will tell you what is coding. Coding is giving a set of instructions to the computer on what actions to perform with the use of computer programming languages. It is a way we humans can communicate with machines. So, I will show you. Now, first, we have to go to studio.corecode.org. See, studio.code.org. And this is the front page of it. Now in the top right corner, you will see a sign in option. Click it. So in this you can sign in. If they are asking your email or username, you can just sign in if you want to. If not, you can press the create button and you will find many projects like Sprite Lab, Artist, App Lab, Game Lab, Dance Party. Today I choose Dance Party. Now see, it's coming. Welcome to Dance Party. Provide your age below and click OK to continue. Now let me give my age. Yes. And remember, this is only comes when you didn't sign in. If you signed in, it will not come. Now see, this is the page. Now you see in blocks there are world, functions, dancers, properties, events, named dancers, numbers, and logic. So first we'll click on world. And you will see like set background effect. So we will drag it and place it in the setup. Now you'll see black and white and colors. So black and white you can change it into cool, electronic, etc. So I will choose bomb. And in colors you get like diamonds, disco ball, fireworks, flowers, etc. I will choose this one. Now let me show you. Did you solve? It came. Now we will go in the dancers. See, make a new cat at top. So we'll drag that and place it here. Now we can also change the cat into alien, bear, dog, duck, frog, moose, pineapple, robot, shark, sloth, unicorn. Top, bottom, right, left, center, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, random. I will choose a shark at the center. Now see. See, it came. Now there's another way. Instead of like make a new sloth at center, we can use something else. Go to named dancers and you will see the same thing. Make a new cat, code dancer one at top. There is only one difference. It is cold dancer one came. So just bring it here and change it into sloth. Called, you can also rename him into Arif at the center. Then this will only be the same thing, but only came cold, just to change its name. Now something is missing, right? Like there are only one guy is there, so we can make more than just one guy. So let's make some more. Now let's go in dancers and see here, make 6 new bears in a circle. Drag that and place it here. Now you can see there is 2 till 20. You can choose what you want, like 13, 14, 16, anything you want to choose. It depends on you, not on me. So I will choose 15. New bears. No, I will not choose bears. I will choose sharks. In a border inside square, diamond, circle, grid, top row, bottom row, left column, right column, cross plus random. I will choose border. Now let's see. Okay. Now I think one thing is really missing in here. That they're dance steps. They're not dancing like only one step, they're dancing. So let's change their dance. For it, you have to go to named dancers. And you will see here dancer 1 do high clap forever. Drag that and place it here. And also remember to change its name, because if you write that dancer 1, it will not come, because my sloth is called Arav. So it will not give the proper instructions. So I will write here Arav. Do high clap or dab, body roll, double down, drop, floss, fresh, gangnam, star, this or that, zombie or none. I will choose the floss forever. And you can even see this arrow. This arrow, like it's in the left side, you can change it into your right side. How? Because when they floss, they will do first start from their right side instead of their left side. If it is left, they will first start from the left side. And let me show you. See, the sloth dances. But what about the sharks in our border? For that dance, you have to go to dancers. And you will see all do clap high forever. Just drag that, place it here. And instead of all, you have to put it here sharks. If you want all to do, even the sloth, you can do all. But I only want the sharks to do. Sharks should do the drop forever. See, it works. Now, one more thing I will tell you in the world is that, like, if only you made set background effect. If you want more than this, like more than this little one, you can choose set foreground effect. Now, instead of rain, you can choose anything. Here you can see, I will choose state lights. If you want to add more, you can add more foreground effects, but I only want one. So let's see it. Okay, that works. Stage light is okay. Now this is done. This small part, it's done. Now we'll go to dancers, and you will see here all begin size following bass. If you want it, it's okay. If you don't want it, it's also alright. So just place it here. All or only the sloth or the sharks. I'll place all size following bass. Mid and there is a treble. I'll put size, weight, height, rotation, horizontal position, vertical, and INT. So I will place size, and let's see that. See? Now we can also change the song. Now in the song, you can choose any song. Yes. Okay, let's just choose the song and let's see if the song is okay. Okay, now it's perfect. Now our first setup is done. Now we will add the second setup. And how do we add second setup? Now for that we will click the events. Now you see like after 4 measures or repeat after 4 measures. So I will tell you the difference. In after 4 measures, like when you just place the after 4 measures, it will just do one time 4 measures. In repeat every 4 measures, it will repeat every 4 measures. Like one first time 4 measure, 4 second time 4 measure, 8 like that. So let's add after 4 measures. I only want one time. And I will also tell you what is measures. Like see that? That first measure and second measure, those measures are basically like changing the background of it. See, like this. See, before it was kind of like differently, then it changed to like different. So that's called measures. So now we will make the second step of it. Now we'll make a new moose called AF at the top left. This time we'll add 2 moves. We'll call him at the top right. Now see. See the moose came. Now let's change the moose dance. Not that one. F. Do. Dab. Now you have to take the stem too. We'll make him do the star forever. Now let's see it. Now see, in after 4 measures, we can even change the background. So let's change the background in the after 4 measures. In this, we will choose neon. In colors, we will choose the disco ball. And in the 4 background, we will choose music notes. Let's see how does it look. Now see, it's finished. Now our coding is finished.